you thought there was no coming back for your faded plastic trim? Well, think again. Introducing GYEON Trim EVO, a permanent trim restorer that will enhance any sort of plastics, whether they're textured or not. This easy to apply ceramic coating will help darken that faded trim. The new EVO version extends the longevity of this coating up to 36 months, which is a year over the previous version. On top of that, it provides great UV protection and brings you water repellency. If you're ever curious about what all it does, just check the benefit icons on the side of the box. But make sure you give the trim a good cleaning beforehand, and you can use a product like GYEON Trim Cleaner. Something that's sometimes forgotten is it's not just for trim. You can also use it to protect your plastic headlights.